I've been maintaining a portion of my neighbor's yard. Well, frankly, because it looks like my yard from the street. Put a lot of time, energy, and money into it. How do I protect that investment? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. That's a great question, and it goes back to your closing. If you go back in the time machine to your closing, to that day, you were probably given a plot plan from your closing attorney. This plot plan was probably created by a survey company, but it is not a survey. And if you remember looking at that plot plan, maybe your lot had an irregular shape to it. There's more than likely a zoning reason why your neighbor's land looks like it's your land. And it may be based on the fact that the developer needed certain frontage for each house lot to be an eligible, buildable lot. So when that happens, oftentimes the neighbor whose yard it looks like, you in this case, maintains that because it looks like it's part of your yard. And if you didn't, it would look like you had an unmaintained yard. But what do? Hopefully you're already friendly with this neighbor, so knocking on the door wouldn't be the first time you've talked about this. But knock on that door and talk about it. What are some of the options? Well, you could agree to have a surveyor mark it out and create a new lot and have that owner deed that portion to you so you own what you're maintaining. However, that might put your neighbor into a non-conforming status. Remember, this may have been needed for zoning purposes. Thomas, I think we did a video with Jed regarding non-conformities. Thank you. So what else can be done? Well, your neighbor could agree to grant you an easement specifically for the purpose of landscaping. So what do I mean? Well, many of you have heard about easements with respect to shared driveways, or utilities when your electric company needs access to your home, or access to a sought-after location like a beach or a dock. In essence, what an easement is when a landowner gives up certain rights to another. So if you benefit from those rights, then you have rights superior to anyone else, including that landowner. So forget all that litigation stuff, adverse possession, and eliminate any question on non-conformity and create an agreement that works for both you and your neighbor. If they grant you a landscaping easement, they still own the property, but you have the right to plant whatever you want and make it as pretty as you want. And they can't complain if they don't like your hydrangeas. Folks, I hope this helped. I hope you appreciate the content, and if you did, please share it with everyone and anyone. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law, and ring the bell so you're notified when we put out a new video. Thank you, and be well.